What if we replace the moon with any of these massive objects? Mars is roughly twice the diameter of the moon, displaying its red surface and surface shading that hints at valleys and mountains. Venus is about 3.5 times the diameter of the moon. It would dominate the sky, appearing as a bright, creamy white disk with faint cloud patterns due to its thick atmosphere. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, about 40 times the diameter of the moon, showcasing its banded cloud layers, the Great Red Spot. It would fill a massive portion of the sky. Saturn is about 35 times the diameter of the moon. Its appearance would be similar to Jupiter's in size, but distinguished by its magnificent rings. Neptune is similar in size to Uranus, about 14 times the diameter of the moon. It would show as a large, deep blue disk with some visible storm activity and cloud patterns, presenting a vibrant and dynamic appearance. And for the grand finale, Sagittarius A, the black hole at the center of our galaxy, it would appear as a dark, featureless sphere with a dramatic gravitational lensing effect around it. The immense gravitational forces would be catastrophic for Earth, likely tearing it apart.